Hello people of the internet, Board Zach here, and welcome back to yet another YouTube video. And in today's video, we are on day 3 of the 1000 subscribers celebration mock week. So in the last 2 videos, I've shown off 2 unique mocks, one of them being the Benny's Space Station and the other one being the Cole Ninjago Season 11 Brickheads. And carrying on the theme of Ninjago and actually the same season, here we have my custom creation of the Ice Emperor's fortress. So this is there's going to be another set like this too, or one or two. It's kind of a hybrid of official set elements with my own creations added in. This is one of them. So this most biggest chunk up here, actually not the biggest chunk, but this chunk up here of the fortress was from a set, and it was about that tall, and that was the set, and it was really flimsy. And I loved the way the set looked, the Ice Emperor Castle, but I was really disappointed with the overall stability of it and the size. It was really small. So I decided I wanted to, one, make it a little more accurate to the show with this epic staircase leading up to it, and also just wanted to make it a better set. So obviously what you can see, what I did here, so here's the castle, like I said. It's kind of hard to focus with all the minifigures back there, so for a moment just so you can just focus on the walls here. So like I said, this area up here was from the set with the flags and all this cool stuff, but I added this entire lower chunk here of this whole podium. I made these columns here, trying to as closely emulate this as I could, even up to the part with these being the exact same form, because I wanted this to just look like a continuation of the fortress. The stairs here are actually not connected. They connect with Technic here, but I could pull these off. I'm not going to, obviously, but I could. And these stairs have some ice and snow and bricks on them, and this leads up to the throne. So yeah, that's mostly the same. There's also some extra stuff I added around the entrance, just trying to make it look a lot more clean. But there is some stuff I added to the interior. So the interior of the set was pretty clunky as well. There wasn't very much standing space, so I kept most of this the same, with the General Vex and Ice Emperor statues, respectively, being in their places. I also kept these little constructions, which are the holders for the Ninja Stars. I can't remember if those came in the smaller set or the bigger set, because this is actually does have elements of the smaller Lloyd and Akita Journey set, which is where these extra shields came from, just for some context. And then I wanted to make this have more of an epic feel. So behind the throne, there are these 2 railings with ice over them, which support these podiums, which lead into a basement segment, which this is completely custom, kind of leads into the main chunk of this. So there's some dungeon walls down here, there's a spider there, some junk. These 2 elements here are taken from the Lego Spider-Man Museum break-in. Actually just noticed a little uneven bit. It does bother me. Those are taken from the Spider-Man Museum break-in, just to make this seem like a fleshed out little treasure trove. These podiums were in the set. They actually supported these bits, I believe, but I didn't need them anymore, so I decided to put them somewhere where they would make a lot more sense in my build. Also wanted to have plenty of places where Ninja could fight in case I ever decide to use this in a stop motion or anything like that. So yeah, everything else on the inside is basically the same, and that's really all there is to show of this. I realized it was a pretty short video, but I've showed basically everything there is to show about this Ice Emperor Castle. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this expansion. I think it looks pretty fantastic. I'm really happy with how this looks overall. And yeah, once again, let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.